Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily use AR effects on your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the camera hub on your PC. Now go over to camera and check if the device input is ELGATO Facecam MK.2. Here, go to effects. And now here we have the AR effects. Here we have an eye contact, for example, but the only downside of it is that you need the NVIDIA GPU to run these effects. So I have a Radeon, so it won't work for me sadly, but if you have the NVIDIA GPU, then you can use the eye contact from the AR effects. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.